Unlocking student success with mind mapping.
Mind mapping is a powerful technique for students who want to study more effectively. By using digital tools to create visual diagrams, you can organize ideas, link concepts, and simplify complex topics. Whether you're preparing for exams or brainstorming essays, mind maps help you see the bigger picture and make learning both easier and more enjoyable.
Getting started. Choosing the right mind mapping app.
There are many digital tools designed for mind mapping, such as MindMeister, XMind, and Coggle. Look for features like easy drag and drop, cloud syncing, and export options. Many apps offer free versions, making it simple to experiment and find one that fits your study style and device preferences.
Organizing your study material visually.
Start by putting your main topic or subject in the center of your mind map. Branch out with key themes, subtopics, or headings from your notes and textbooks. Using colors, icons, and images where available can help you remember information and see relationships between ideas at a glance.
Boosting revision and memory recall.
Mind maps are a great way to review for tests and exams. By reconstructing maps from memory or reviewing existing ones, you reinforce connections and deepen understanding. Many students find that interacting with visual diagrams improves recall and makes revising more engaging compared to reading plain notes.
Tips for making the most of mind mapping.
Be concise. Use keywords or short phrases. Regularly, update and refine your mind maps as you learn. Collaborate with classmates by sharing maps for group projects or study sessions. Over time, build a digital library of personalized mind maps to track progress and prepare for future assessments.